How to remove background in After Effects. First, let's open your Adobe After Effects. Make sure that you already have your video ready. Once your video is ready, go to Layers. Make sure that you are on this tab. Then on the top, click this row to brush. Now we will paint our subject. In our case, our subject would be the dog. Let's paint over it. Once done, you can check in the Composition tab. You can find it here on the top. If you got all your subjects included. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always go back and adjust the roto brush on your subject, or you can also use these tools on your left. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.